I'll compare all the different sizes, different type of leathers, and how to wear all the sizes in different ways and what fits inside. And I will also show you what I use to clean my bag and to repair scratches. Let's get started! Hi, he's Romeo and I am Romeo Mama. Welcome to our channel. If you are thinking to buy a Chanel flag but you're not sure what size and what leather, then make sure you watch the entire video. If you want to get a lambskin, I strongly recommend get a darker color. Because lambskin, even though they're very soft and luxurious to touch, but if you look at the corner, it can easily got scratched. My one is black, so it is okay, nothing got scratched. Lambskin usually is quite light because mine is a rectangular mini. There's no second flap inside. So just one big flap, but then there's no second one inside. So you can actually fit quite a lot. Other lambskin, this is my rectangular mini in fuchsia color. Comes with rose gold hardware. Be careful of the chain. When I store it, I normally put a little cloth in between because the weight of the chain can actually dent your bag because it is lambskin. So too soft, sometimes you will see some scratches, just has to be careful. But it's like what I said, if it is lambskin, I will try to buy a darker color because sometimes see scratches there. Same thing, is a mini rectangular, so only one flap. Without the second flap, you can actually fit in more, so it's quite spacious. Another lambskin. This is in a baby pink lambskin. It's a wallet on chain. There's no color transfer. I have used this bag for quite a while, but I've noticed that at the corner here, you will see it got some scratches there. That's how I notice if you are buying lambskin, maybe not to have a color which is too light because the scratches can easily seen. It's still a very beautiful wallet on chain. But wallet on chain, you don't have the CC turn lock, so it becomes like this. So with these, the chain is a little bit thinner, and the chain is always a little longer. You have one zip there. And one zip here. Another layer, and then card slots. One more here. When you're going for a party, I think this is quite handy. This is a small double flap. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 quilt. This lambskin is in this light beige. It's very delicate. So every little scratch, see that? You will actually see your fingernail scratched right there. I'll show you what cream that I use to buff out all this lambskin. So this is with the gold hardware with a double flap. So when we say double flap, because this got one more flap inside. So that makes the interior not a big difference compared to a mini rectangular. Next, ta-da! This is called extra small because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 quilt. So with gold color hardware. So this is a backpack. You can hold it like this, or you can hold it like this. Okay. So this is not lambskin. This is called soft calf. It's still as soft as lambskin. It feels like lambskin, but they're actually calfskin. So this one, I quite like it because you got the lambskin look, but it's not as delicate because it's soft calf. Even though when you scratch it or when you press on it, they're actually not making any marks. So when you open it, this bag fits quite a lot. I've got an insert from Samoga, so it will help me tidy up what's inside the bag. Inside there's one zipper pocket. You might not able to see, but it's here. One zipper pocket here, and then it fits quite a lot. It fits a water bottle as well. This is a rectangular mini flap in Caviar. Caviar is very durable and is carefree. This mini is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with 2 half diamond quilt. Gold hardware. So because it's a mini, there's no second flap. So see, mini because without the second flap, you fit in a little bit more. Classic medium. If you look at it, it's a medium because you got half. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then half. So it's in Caviar, very durable. It's like scratch resistant, but don't do that, okay? And then with silver hardware. So it's a double flap, so that's one flap, and then that's another flap. Usually with these, that will limit it what fits inside. So you will see what you can fit is not a big difference compared to a small and a mini. And I'll show you. If you want more carefree, I will recommend this Caviar leather because they are more durable. Now, I'll show you the difference. So this is a mini rectangular and this is a medium. Like this. So, if you prefer the lambskin feeling, but you're afraid of all the scratches, you can consider soft calf because you got that feeling, but they're tougher. And if you really prefer to have a lambskin to have that luxurious feeling, then I will strongly recommend to get a darker shade rather than a light shade. Now I'm going to show you how to change the chain length into different style in all the bags. This mini has 4 holes. So you pull the chain inside. To me, because I'm only 5 foot tall, the mini chain length is always too long for me. I'll show you how to make it shorter. To make it shorter, pull the chain. So with just to tie with a ribbon, you can change it to any length you like. I can also change it to a top handle bag. This wallet on chain, the chain is the longest. See, the chain on me is far too long. You can also make the wallet on chain into a top handle bag. Hide all the chain inside the bag, then you can have a clutch. This Urban Spirit mini backpack is very easy. You can hold the chain or you can wear it as it is a backpack. Now we're comparing small flap and medium flap. The chain length in the small classic flap is slightly longer than in the medium. The small medium flap is more comfortable when you wear it as a crossbody. Chain length comparison. The longest one will be the wallet on chain. This is small and this is medium. Now I'm going to put the wallet on chain rectangular mini, small classic flap and medium classic flap side by side. Okay, so now this is the medium flap, double flap. I'm going to put all these items in the bag. Okay, small double flap. Small double flap. Let's see what fits in. Mini rectangular. Really tight. Okay, let's see what fits in the wallet on chain. Let's see what fits inside this mini backpack. When you buy a Chanel bag, they always come with a little buffer, so you can buff your handbag to make it shinier. Also, if you have a little scratch, like a fingernail white scratch, what you can do, this is recommended by the Chanel S8. because they told me that every time when there's scratches on their handbag, they use this. This is from Coach. So number one, you will use this, and you need to use a microfiber cloth. So you use this for a little bit of the cleaner. And then if you see any scratches, you just get a little bit in circular motion. That's how you clean. And then after that, wipe it off. And to moisturize the leather is like moisturize your skin, because at the end they're lambskin. So leather moisturizer. Microfiber again. Just a little bit of the cream. And then that's how you can buff all the scratches off. And keep the leather. I'm gonna show you how to remove the fingernail scratches. Don't be scared if you see a darker patch like this. It will dry up and all the scratches will be gone. See, look at the scratches, it's gone. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will help you know more about Chanel bags before you make any decision. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so it will become your channel to watch. I upload new videos every week. See you next time. Bye. Let Romeo tell you which one is his favorite.